Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with me. My name is Daisy Love, and I am going to be your instructor for this particular workshop. For today, we are going to be discussing successful clientele, ladies and gentlemen. Let's really understand what are we saying when we mentioning clientele. I say that understanding your potential customers is vital to overcoming the competition and learning what it will take to help you prospect, choose your product or service rather than going to your competitors. To effectively turn your prospect into a customer, you must first be able to solve their problems. You should be able to answer these questions. What are their needs? Their challenges? What do their own customers and partners need? How can my product in or service meet the prospect or the prospect customer's need or assist with the challenges that that prospect is facing, correct? How will my product or service make the prospect more competitive in their own marketplace? As a business owner, as you are joining the field of business, you want to present a product or a service. It is important for us to understand what we are bringing to the table. Business is not about anything than solving a problem. There is a need, and this is my solution. If you cannot present a concrete solution, then you are not in business. Then automatically you do not understand what you're doing because what is the problem that you are solving? Or what is the service that you're bringing? What is that going to do for that particular individual or that company? It's important for us to understand what is the need and what are you solving. Once you are able to begin at that level, at that phase, then it should become a lot more easier for you to start building on the type of product and the type of services that you are offering to a particular market. Are we here? Great.